My name is Sachiko. I'm originally from Nagano, Japan, and I make paper crafts such as origami and cars and paper cuttings. I moved to Cork 10 years ago, and at the time I didn't know the city at all, and I didn't know many people. And I learned that there was a craft market in Cork City Center, and I decided to make origami and bring there because origami has been around me since my childhood, and I always liked folding papers. I love doing origami workshop, because I love passing on this Japanese traditional art form to the people in Ireland. And so that's really, I'm honored for that.